Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be decorating my entryway, mainly this shoe cabinet area. If you want to see how I made this shoe cabinet, I'll have the link to the video on the screen and in the description box. I'm so excited to start decorating our new home. We just bought it a few months ago, so we have a blank canvas and so many ideas. So make sure you subscribe to tag along for the journey. I'm so happy you're here. This mirror is so beautiful. I love the size and how flat it is. When you walk in, it's not something that jumps out at you right away, but it does brighten up our entryway, which was definitely needed. This was easily one of my favorite purchases while decorating this space. These candlestick holders are so beautiful. I love the design, and the non-slip pad underneath is so practical. It was very easy to put together and made the space really elegant. I was really impressed with this ceramic vase. I chose the antique color, a neutral white that doesn't clash. You can see how it pairs nicely with the warmer tone placemat, and it also doesn't clash with my cooler white walls. By the way, the texture is so beautiful. It looks really expensive, but make sure you scan the QR code and you'll see what I actually paid for this beauty. This is my first time buying artificial olive greenery, and for something that is totally fake, it looks really good. I only got 3 stems and it looks so thick. It also came with extra olives, which was nice. I really love how tall it is. That was my biggest reason for buying this particular set. I really wanted something on that ledge that gave some height variation and fill up the wall. It's such a long walkway, and having something that breaks up that linear look by taking your eyes up is such a good design hack, and it worked out so well. They don't feel flimsy either, which I love, and you also have the option to cut the stem or bend it to fit your style. I love the height for my tall vase, so I chose to keep it at that particular height. It was really easy to make it more full, which I also really appreciate because I didn't want skinny, long stems. I truly wanted a more full look, and only getting 3 stems, I was a bit worried, but as you can see, it all worked out and looks great. I absolutely love shopping at Kohl's, especially when they're switching between seasons with their decor items. This day, I found some really nice pieces that I feel will work beautifully in the entryway. They have a really good selection too, especially in their clearance aisle. You can save anywhere from 50 to 70% sometimes, so always check there first. You never know what you might find. When I decided to decorate this space, I wanted something that made it feel more homey, but not cluttered. There's so many ways to decorate a table or ledge like the one I have here, but the only design that felt like me is the more minimal look. I love the pieces that I chose because it complements the space. It gives your eyes a pleasant place to go, but it doesn't overstimulate you. I wanted the area to give a welcoming, calm, more relaxing vibe when you stepped in our home, and I'm just really happy with being able to achieve that with this look. I was going to use decorative books, but decided to use my own instead. I recently wrote a book about my struggles with anxiety, but I also made it a self help book where you can learn about what it is and how to manage it as well. I'm so proud of the work I've put into writing this book. It's definitely been something that continues to help me. If you've ever struggled with anxiety, you know it's an ongoing journey. So I'm very happy to have this book, and I hope you guys check it out. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I didn't use a lot of items to decorate this space, and you can see how even a few well-placed pieces can easily warm up an area in your home. It doesn't have to be expensive and it doesn't have to be a lot of stuff. Find what makes you happy and go with the flow. I promise you, you won't regret it.